Hello everyone, I'm Angela, the Marketing Director of Guangzhou Washeng Packaging Materials. Marketing Director Angela. So here's what I'm going to show you, the hottest one on the market right now. An airplane box for transportation. Many e-commerce buyers are very enthusiastic about this product, and it has tear strips. This is convenient for customers to install the product after loading. Direct sealing. Then it will have a security for the product inside. The protective effect of privacy. So today we're going to do one of its load-bearing, test if it is firm enough during transportation. Then we put 2 bottles of perfume into the box. The bottle is still intact. About this airplane box. The material we choose is normal. The outer paper is 30 grams of gray card, and then the B reinforcement core inside. We will choose the thickness of the corrugated paper with relatively high strength because there are many on the market such as B, F and C corrugated paper, but we usually choose, even if the customer doesn't request it, we will choose the reinforced core. In this way, its firmness will be better. Moreover, we will also add another layer of 300 grams of gray card as the material, so its load-bearing capacity is very good. Then, next we use another box that is not damaged and let a person stand on it to test, to see how much weight it can bear. Then pick up the box after our salesperson stood on it just now. The box was not damaged or wrinkled.